How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your side mirrors on the 99 to 2006 Chevy Silverado. So this works for either the driver or passenger side. Open your door up, roll down your window so you can grab the mirror on the outside. We're going to want to remove this panel. You don't need any special tools. You can just get your finger behind there. There's two clips. Just pop them out and this lifts up. Remove the insulation. And you'll see a wiring harness in here if you have power mirrors. Grab that. And there's a little tab you can lift up on and pull your connector apart. The mirror's held in with these three 10mm nuts. You're going to need a deep socket. And now the only thing holding this in place is this plastic clip. You can just push a couple of these tabs in. Make sure you have a hold of your mirror on the other side. And pull it out. To install your new mirror, get your harness through. Line your studs up with the holes. And push it in until this clip locks in. Now you can thread on your three 10mm nuts. Grab yourself a ratchet with your 10mm. You don't want to tighten these down with the impact gun. Just get it snug and give it about a quarter of a turn. And do this with all three of them. Now we can reconnect the harness. Just push it in until you hear it lock. Give it a little tug, make sure it's not going to come undone. And tuck this back up. Grab your insulation. Put that back in. And we'll grab our panel. You see it has this little part that slides down in the top of the door panel. So we'll get that in first. And push our clips in. And that is how you replace your side mirrors. This is the exact same on the driver's side or the passenger side. If this video helped you out, if you could give it a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button.